Hi, this is Manat Jagya. In today's capsule session, we'll be looking at some more questions from Maharashtra set 2021. As in so, I have the questions. I'm discussing these questions with you along with the options because sometimes in UGC NET exam, the same set questions are asked in depth. So that is the reason why I'm explaining each question, why I'm taking up the options also, and I'm just talking about everything I know. So the first question for today is, A Way in the World is written by. Just concentrate on the question. The question says a way in the world and not a way of the world. A way of the world, everybody knows, it is very famous. It was in your MA syllabus also. A Way of the World was written by William Congreve, but A Way in the World is written by V.S. Naipaul. A Way of the World by William Congreve, a restoration comedy, one of the best restoration comedies, so famous that it is still occasionally performed today, published 1700. And A Way in the World is written by V.S. Naipaul, published in 1994. V.S. Naipaul, remember, was a Nobel laureate. And A Way in the World consists of linked narratives. It is a historical fiction, a biographical fiction, you can say. Next question. Which of the following is an autobiography of Wole Soyinka? Option 1, The Lion and the Jewel. Option 2, You Must Set Forth at Dawn. Option 3, The Swamp Dwellers. Option 4, A Dance of the Forest. So the correct option is the autobiography of Wole Soyinka. Wole Soyinka, who was Wole Soyinka? A Nigerian writer. And his autobiography is You Must Set Forth at Dawn. You Must Set Forth at Dawn. It was published in 2006 and it has a subtitle also. You Must Set Forth at Dawn, a memoir. A memoir is the subtitle. Now let us see the other options because Wole Soyinka's plays are very important. Some question would be surely asked from this category. The first option given to you was The Lion and the Jewel. See, all the options that are given, Lion and the Jewel, Swamp Dwellers, Dance of the Forest, all are by Wole Soyinka, first of all. Now coming to The Lion and the Jewel. This book is a wonderful book. It talks about this lion Baroka, B-A-R-O-K-A, Baroka. Baroka is fighting. Baroka, the lion, is fighting over the right to marry Siddhi. S-I-D-I. Siddhi is the jewel. So remember, lion is Baroka and the name of the jewel is Siddhi, whom Baroka the lion wants to marry. The titular jewel is Siddhi, S-I-D-I. Baroka is fighting to marry Siddhi. Next is The Swamp Dwellers. The Swamp Dwellers is also by Wole Soyinka and it is a close study, as you can see from the title itself, The Swamp Dwellers. So it is a close study of the pattern of the life in the isolated hamlets. What are hamlets? Huts of African countryside. Countryside is village. So The Swamp Dwellers is a close study of the pattern of the life, how people in the African countryside live, who are located where? In isolated hamlets. Next option is A Dance of the Forest, again a play published 1960. Now this play, A Dance of the Forest, is the most complex and difficult to understand plays from all the Wole Soyinka plays. This is the most difficult and complicated play, and it was Soyinka's theatrical debut. It was Soyinka's The Dance of the Forest was Soyinka's theatrical debut. Next question. Our casuarina tree reminisces about whose childhood days? Answer is easy. Our casuarina tree reminisces about Toru Dutt's childhood days. Toru Dutt, in her poem Our Casuarina Tree, talks about nostalgia, how she misses her nation, nostalgia, longing, memory, and she's comparing her childhood days with the trees of England. Trees of England are representing isolation, and she's remembering the good days that he had in her childhood, and she's contrasting them with the trees of England, which stand for isolation. So that's all on this short session. Thank you.